mnandi uyalwazi na wena sele kwathandana losibusiso shanja kasushintsha naye sele kambambelela kuwakasa
nina benkosi nina besilo nina bakamdlekombana kulo lonke likamthaniya la kufika khona lombukiso nibingelela mina umfowakankeshenkeshe umJJ vetevete bafazi bagangile bavulela ikhandlela maqede yenzeka leyo mpahla kulowo muzi. We are here to talk about indaba yokuthi another 7 years, another 8 years, another 10 years. Iyaqhubeka lesiyasomiso, siyaqhubeka lesiyasomiso, into engeke iphele lesiyasomiso silapha eNaturena. Siyibonile iKaizer Chiefs idlala izodlala neTS Galaxy. Uteam sikazi ke wayikhuluma le ndaba during the week that they have became rivals ngenxa ukuthi ngale yafana la 2019 ifanele wonke umuntu wayenethemba ngayo. Ake sikho ke lapho endabeni yefana la ngo2019 kahle kahle sikule game yangomhla ka12 kuFebruary ku2022 lapho iKaizer Chiefs ebeyidudulana khona neqembu laseMpumalanga iTS Galaxy. Yaphinde futhi iKaizer Chiefs yaguqa. Angazi ukuthi mhlambe sekucomplain kangakanani sekubhalwe kangakanani isibekwa amagama angakanani iKaizer Chiefs kodwa imanagement yeKaizer Chiefs or else whoever is responsible for whatever is happening kuleya football club akaboni ukuthi uyabona ukuthi lo yamkhumbi uyacwila futhi uzogcina usuyadipha. Lokho kwenzeka izolo kubhlungu. How can a coach abe away for like 2 months and then abuyele straight nje okay fine okay umsebenzi wakhe because uyi head coach but to go back straight and change isystem ebekudlala ngayo? What was the point of playing ubeka uRefloster ebenchini and play uNtiyantiya? What was the choice for that? Ukuthi ungakhipha uBilliard noNtiya ukhipha uBilliard noNtiyantiya. What was the reason for that? What was the reason for that? Because ufake uNukovic no Castro. Nukovic and Castro, especially Nukovic, selokhu afika uBaster, Nukovic is not giving us anything. He's not giving anything at all because uBaxter akamdlali umdlala out of position. Mayengamdlali as I forward wing. Izolo bembeke center kodwa yabona ukuthi nje ube. What did uBaxter say about uHadebe? He said uHadebe is running like a headless chicken. That's what I see kuNukovic mae engena izolo yenza yonke le nto ebeyenza nje. I saw someone running like a headless chicken tonton but angikho lapho but ke ebhlungu lento enziwa leli qembu lebhola leKaizer Chiefs because we invest in this, we love our team. And we follow yazi ukuthi silinde isikhathi esinganani silinde ukuthi kuzodlala iKaizer Chiefs and to watch that kwaze kwabhlungu.